Meanwhile, a world record run in the under-20 women's 4x100 meters excited fans on day 2 of the CARIFTA Games in Kingston last evening. But as we hear from Jordan Fort, at least one member of the quartet thinks the team can go faster.
Set.
The Edwin Allen Class 1 team at Champs gave a glimpse of the possibilities which existed a week earlier. And fans knew once the speedy Brianna Liston was added to that quartet, it was a matter of getting the stick around for the record to tumble. The quartet of Serena Cole to Tina Clayton to Liston to Tia Clayton did just that, to storm to 42.58 seconds, to eclipse their own 42.94 done at the World Under-20 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya last year.
I had an overwhelming feeling. I mean, it was the aim to get the World Under-20 record.
Yes, well, this team can go faster. As you know, sir, as our season progresses, we can go faster.
The boys completed the sweep, winning the under-20 section in a CARIFTA record 39.15 seconds.
Second goal is a really great feeling, knowing it's the first time making the national team after battling so many injuries.
What was meant to be will be. If it was meant that we're going to break that record, we're going to break it. So it's really a great feeling. But I think we can go very faster.
Boaji and Krumi started the relay.
It's my first time ever starting a relay, so the experience is very amateur one. But I'm really grateful for the win and for the record.
Earlier, the under-17 team did the job in taking their event in 41.74 seconds. Gary Card, who got silver in the 100 a day earlier, was happy to be going home with a gold medal.
Well, for my first year in CARIFTA, I feel it was positive. I really wish I could have gotten the gold medal, and I feel like I could have, but that's in the past. I can't say anything about that. But now I'm just glad I got the gold medal, did my part in the relay, and that we were able to come out on top.
Jaden Campbell was involved in a heated battle with Shaquane Gordon at Champs a week earlier, but says the team had no issues bonding after the fierce Champs rivalry.
We just went out there to be friends, not enemies, but we just come as one unit, and we went out there and did our best.
The under-17 girls started the Jamaican sprint relay sweep, clocking 45.38 for gold in their event.
I was very confident in my team. I am very confident in my team. I know that we could do it. We have the best team in the Caribbean. Yes, very confident, and it's good. It's awesome.
Earlier, 400-meter hurdler Rashawn Clark continued his outstanding season, winning the under-20 event in 50.58 seconds. Even though he's already gone sub-50 this season, he says that wasn't the plan on Sunday.
No, my coach told me to come out here and win as easy as possible, and I did just that.
Princewell Martin, who led home a Jamaican 1-2 in the under-17 event, gave credit to the team psychologists for pushing him to victory.
Since today, I learned how to manage my own race due to a motivational speaker named Nicholas. He came and spoke to us, and I learned that I should just run my own race, no matter the circumstances.
Safia Hines, 58.96, and Shaquilia Green, 59.97, got gold and silver for Jamaica in the under-20 girls event. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.